about to go.
Send me your account. Let me send you some money.
Some money for what?
Just to appreciate you for coming. Nothing serious.
I don't understand. Do I look like a prostitute to you?
You?
Wait, you really think I can't take care of myself?
I didn't say you were a prostitute though.
I'll call you my love, okay, baby? Love you. I'll see you soon.
Bruh. Eh? I've told you before, if you want to trade anything, Bitcoin, gift card, use Moxie Exchange. Yes. Moxie Exchange, they are fast and reliable. 5 minutes, you don't get your money sharp.
Okay.
Wait, my baby, they call me. I will talk to you later, okay? Hi, babe. I'm trying to order food for us to eat. Eh?
Why do you have to order? I can get in the kitchen and prepare for us something.
You can cook?
Yeah, I love cooking, babe.
You love cooking?
Okay.
Hey, so surprise me. No problem. Now let me send you some money to buy food stuff.
Don't worry about that. I'll take care of that. Let me see what's in the kitchen first. Okay? Hey, baby.
I was a kid, I didn't know.
Babe, I really want to talk to you about something.
Okay. What was it?
You know I've never asked you for anything before.
Okay.
What's going on?
You know I've never asked you for money before.
I know now. I know.
But I really need your help.
Okay. What's that?
My rent is due and my landlord is on my neck.
Rent. By this time.
I've been running around to gather money, but it's hard.
How much are we talking about here?
10 million.
10 million naira.
But you know I've never asked you for money. I've never asked you for anything before.
Wait. The 10 million is the total package of the rent. So, how much do you need from me?
I
Okay.
need 10 million naira from you.
I knew it. I know you're up to something. Eh? If I give you money, say no. If I give you money, say no. You need your money, buy food, do this one. I was like, since when did Lagos start producing this type of babe? You want to pick once.
What I'm trying to say, I don't understand.
What I'm trying to say is that this your format, is strong. It's strong. Where do you want me to get 10 million naira from?
So are you giving me the money or not?
I clear.